here with Jason today. Jason, how you doing?
Excellent.
Well, today we're going to talk a little bit about dental care, and this is the last stage for you, right, Jason?
Last stage, last day was today. So my second trip here and the final for my teeth.
Well, we're going to talk a little bit about being transparent today about the dental experience, and then what happened with, particularly with Jason, especially in what happened to him recently and why he's here. He's actually, you're 2 months early, right?
I'm 2 months early for this return trip, which was supposed to just be for a crown on an implant. And I had an unfortunate mishap, and 2 of the veneers that I got here a few months back, one cracked and came off, and another one came off, partially due to doing Invisaligns after, and then just me, bearing down on my teeth while working out, and popped them off. So I had to make an early trip back to get that fixed up.
These are things that happen while you're on dental treatments. It can happen to you, but today we're going to give you an example of why, when you choose a provider, that they stand behind their work, what they do, and what to do next. And sometimes, with Jason's case, we learned a little bit about Invisalign, that you should probably wait a little bit before you're going to do other things before you get into this. But Jason, tell us a little bit about the experience with Green Healthcare. Be very, when you initially came, and then even now, and and you talk about what mishap. But what do you people that are viewing? What do you tell them? What is Green Healthcare for you? What it meant?
Yeah, the overall experience has been wholly positive, despite the mishap. Stuff happens. I'm pretty used to it in my life. I'm sure a lot of people are as well. It's been a wholly positive experience. You were there at the dentist with me on day 1 to help kind of work through the options for the treatment plan, along with the doctors on what I would do for the few things that I wanted to have done. Some cosmetic. I had a tooth that cracked, and I was missing a tooth that had to be extracted years back. So we replaced that, and then the Invisalign was the other part of the treatment, which is done through a company called Bite out of California in the United States. So we came up with a good plan and executed while I was here and on my first trip, and got things prepped and started, and was able to scoot about the country and have a good time doing touristy things, and it's been a blast. I love coming here, and it's nice to come here and do some business too.
How was the accommodations?
Absolutely beautiful. The cabin at Dr. Jonathan's property is it's Japanese Zen garden-esque. Very peaceful, very beautiful. Nice spot to chill.
Good. I want to talk to you a little bit about when we first started this. We did go to another dentist. I won't mention any names, but it was a different opinion, right?
Totally different.
Yep. When you're doing dental treatments like this, getting more than one opinion sometimes is very good. In this particular case, Jason got a second opinion, and sometimes people don't listen to, or some dentists don't listen to what the patient wants, and
no.
He wanted something particular.
Right. Doing the minimal amount to my own teeth necessary to get to the cosmetic appearance that I wanted, which shouldn't have involved very much, and the first dentist swung for the fence and suggested 20 veneers, which was just not what I asked for, and it felt overwhelming and excessive to me, something I wasn't comfortable with at all.
And these are things that, for us as patient advocates or the company, we're very open about. If things happen, there's always, that's why we're here to guide. We got him to another facility that was more aligned to what he wanted, and also more upfront in a different way, and got his solution.
Yeah.
It's something very common. So when you're doing dental treatments, keep that in mind. Sometimes if it's too overwhelming, take a second look at what treatment they're doing, and making sure that it's the right one.
Yep.
Well, Jason, tell me, you've been out in Costa Rica. This is the second time, and you're actually here early too on your dental implant, or the 2 months. And
Yep.
this is something very rare. Not everybody can come in and a short period of time already be healed. It sometimes happens. But in this case, he came for an emergency, but was able to turn the emergency into a finished product.
That's right. So, yep, it was an unexpected trip. Not exactly the best timing for me, but I was able to make it work. And now I don't have to come back for dental work, at least, in a couple of months. So I'm very, very glad that the implant healed quickly and I was able to finish off and get the crown. Very, very happy with how my bite feels, how my mouth feels, and how my teeth look.
Well, Jason, thank you for taking the time to meet with us here today, talk
Yeah,
about
man.
your experience. So now those of you out there thinking this is not scripted, this is strictly what it is. We're very transparent, but if you're looking for dental treatment in here in Costa Rica or in Mexico, we hope you choose us, or we hope you at least consider us for that treatment. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day. Pura vida.